Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will study how current flows in a transistor, or we can say the operation of transistor. In this video, we will study operation of NPN transistor and PNP transistor. This is the circuit diagram of NPN transistor. To use the transistor as an amplifier, we will make this emitter based junction forward bias and collector based junction reverse bias. To make this junction forward bias, we will connect this N region to the negative terminal of the battery and this P region means base to the positive terminal of the battery. And to make the collector based junction reverse bias, we will connect this collector region because it is N type to the positive terminal of the battery and this P region to the negative terminal of the battery. These we can see here that this positive terminal and this negative terminal is tied up with the base. As this junction is forward bias, so a low battery is enough here, and this junction is reverse bias, so we will use a high battery here. Now we will start the operation of transistor. As this N region means emitter is connected to the negative terminal, so electrons in this region, here electrons are the majority charge carriers and these electrons are repelled by this negative terminal, so they move towards the junction, this junction, emitter base junction. So the movement of these electrons constitute emitter current, and these junction, because this junction is forward bias, so the potential barrier here is reduced or less potential barrier, so these crosses this junction and reach the base region. Here some of the electrons combine with the holes and constitute base current. Now rest of the electrons crosses this junction and reach the collector region as they are attracted by the positive terminal of VCC battery. For every electron that is going from the collector region to the positive terminal of VCC, a new electron from VE enters the emitter region. So conduction of electrons from this region to this and then this and in the outer circuit keeps on going as long as emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias. So in this way the current flows in a NPN transistor. We know that emitter region is heavily doped, base region is lightly doped and it is also very thin, and this collector region is moderately doped. Because it is lightly doped and very thin, so only about 5% of electrons that are coming from the emitter region combines here and rest goes to the collector region. Because this junction is forward bias, so holes from P region also move towards the emitter region. So these constitute the hole current. But because they are very less as compared to the electrons, so this hole current is very less, so it can be neglected for all practical purposes. Now we will discuss the operation of PNP transistor. To use it as an amplifier, we will forward bias emitter base junction and reverse bias collector base junction. To make it forward bias, we will connect the P region, this emitter region, towards the positive terminal and this collector region towards the negative terminal of the battery, and we will tie the both terminals together with the base. Now let's start the operation of PNP transistor. We know these holes are positively charged, so they are repelled by the positive terminal of the battery towards the emitter base junction. The movement of these holes towards the junction constitute emitter current. Now as the potential here is very low because it is forward bias, so they reach the base region. Here this base is lightly doped and very thin also, so some of the holes coming from this region to this region get combined with the electrons here, and rest of the holes reaches the collector region. So in the collector region at the collector electrode, electron and hole combination takes place. As for every recombination of holes and electron at collector electrode is replenished by the breakdown of covalent bond at emitter electrode, so the supply of holes keeps on going, so the conduction of holes keeps on going in the circuit and the current flows. Now in the base region, majority charge carriers are electron, and this junction is forward bias, so they move towards the junction, crosses the junction and reach the emitter region. This constitutes the electron current. But because these are very less, so the electron current is very less as compared to the hole current, so this electron current is neglected for every practical purposes. An important thing that I should tell you, the flow of current in the outer circuit is always due to the electrons and that are not due to the holes, because holes are conducting in the semiconductor only, and these are the conducting wires, means generally copper wires, and copper is a good conductor of electricity. So electrons, so the outer circuit or in the wires only, conduction is due to electrons only, the current flows due to electrons only. I hope now you will have the good understanding of operation of NPN and PNP transistor. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.